it's Shared an Angel, and today is my first impression on the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment. So this is the mask, and you leave it on your hair for like 10 to 15 minutes. And these are the results of my hair right now, but I'll show you more at the end. But let me just show you what I did earlier today when I started trying out the treatment. Okay, as you guys can see, this is my hair right now. It really needs to be like washed and all that. So I'm going to try this as a first impression of this mask, the new mask by Shea Moisture. And I'm just going to shampoo my hair with, I'll show you what shampoo I use. But I'm just going to shampoo with that, and then I'm going to put this deep conditioner in it and leave it in for 10 to 15 minutes because that's what it says on the bottle. I'm going to put this mask in and brush this mask into my hair. It says gosh, this is thick. It smells really good. It kind of melts into your hands, you know, when you rub your hands together. It's really thick and lotiony. So I'm going to just rub it through. I'm going to try not to use the brush, but I'm going to put that on that side, and then I'm going to get some on this side. This is very thick. You really don't need that much because it spreads out, you know, on your hands when you rub it. But just gonna do this. Try to detangle, you know, without using a brush. It's working. It's very thick. Very, very thick. And you don't need very much, like, at all, I don't think. I may put a little bit more, like, on the ends, but I think it'll be very moisturizing for curly hair. Put a little bit up here and a little bit on my bangs. Well, not my little side bangs. I think it's pretty coated. Just going through it to make sure I got all the tangles out. But yeah, it's pretty much evenly coated. Let me show you how much I used. That's not a lot of product. Like, not at all. Normally, us curly hair girls, we're going into it and we're using like half the bottle. But that's good. So, you really don't need too much. So, I'm going to put the timer on, and I'll see you after I rinse it out and stuff. And I want to see how moisturized it is after I've had it in my bathroom. And I'm going to rinse this out, and I will tell you how my hair feels after I rinse this out. But I'm going to rinse that out. So yeah, I already rinsed that out of my hair. So now I'm going to just style my hair like I normally do and use the Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in conditioner. And I want to see how my hair looks when it dries, and I'll just show you what my hair looks like when it's dry and all that jazz. So I'm just gonna take a bunch of this and put it in my hair, and I'll talk to you later about my first impression and my thoughts on the yogurt and Manuka honey. Hey guys, so this is my hair. It has quite a bit of volume in it, which is good, and it looks pretty hydrated. It's not all the way dry, but it's close to being all the way dry. But I really like this mask. I think the more that I use it, the more I'll notice a difference in my hair, you know, the appearance of my hair. This wash turned out really good. As of my first impression, I really like this mask. And I'll probably use this mask like every 2 or 3 weeks, because I don't want to use it every week because of the protein, because your hair might be a little protein sensitive, but I really like this mask and I think you guys should go out and try it. Yeah, that's my first impression on the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrating and Repair Protein Power Treatment. Really like it. Love you guys. Bye.